Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that you won't miss any update. Now, in our previous video, I've explained on how you can register and also on how you can log in, and I've explained how you can do your profile and a lot of things I've explained there. So if you haven't checked it, go ahead and check it, because this is the continuation of the previous video. Now, in today's video, what we are going to do, I'm going to be explaining each page and their functionality. Now, this means this video might be a bit longer than the previous one that we've been doing, so it's just for you to understand each page and so that you'll be able to navigate without any issues. So like I've explained the dashboard already in the previous video, so go and check that. I'm not going to re-explain anything on the dashboard, but let's go to the banking menu tab. So when we click on data, when you click on data this way, you have the option to purchase data. Now, for us to purchase data, we are having zero balance, so that means we will not be able to purchase anything. But let me just teach you on what you can do. So to purchase, you have to select your network first. Which network do you want to purchase? So like me, let's say I want to purchase Glo. I will select that. It will bring out the available data plan for my for the Glo network that I selected. Another thing is that I love this platform because they render the cheapest data plan. So you can see their 1 gig. They sell the cheapest data plan, so you can make use of them to generate more data and to resell your data. So let's say I want to go for 10 gig, which is 770.7. So all I have to do is just to enter my account, my phone number. You enter your phone number like this. Please always make sure that your phone number is correct. So you can see you have to cross-check before you proceed. Are you sure you've entered the correct information? And it brings out the information. So you have to check the number very well, the data plan you want to purchase, and the amount you are going to pay, talk you want to purchase. So once you are certain, you click on proceed, and you can see insufficient balance. So like I've told you, we don't have any balance at all. So this is how to purchase your airtime. Let's go to the transaction history. Now you can see we don't have any transaction based on the fact that we haven't done anything. The account is still new. There is nothing, no transaction, nothing. You just created the account, so we don't have any transaction on it. So let's go to airtime. The same method that we've done on data, we are going to do the same thing. You select you select the network that you want to purchase. So like me now, let's say I want to purchase Glo. So you enter the number that you want to purchase airtime, then you enter the amount. Now this will not allow us to proceed because we are having zero. So you can see we have zero balance, so it won't allow us to proceed. But the same function, it has the same function with the data plan. So let's go to deposit. Now to deposit into your account, let's say you want to purchase data and you need to fund your wallet, and to do that you have to go to deposit, and the first thing you need to do is to select your currency. Now if you're from Nigeria, you know we use Naira. So if you're from other country, you can use dollars. Maybe you have any Nigerians you want to purchase data and ATM for, so you can select dollars for them. Then you pay in dollars and you can funds to their phone number. Now for me, I'm from Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. How much do I want to deposit? So let's say I want to deposit like 500 naira. So I click on 500 naira, then I enter 500 naira and I click on deposit. He asks me that am I sure I want to proceed. Then you click on proceed. Now once you click on proceed this way, it will bring out the account details, like the payment details where you are going to pay to. So we are going to transfer this money, so that I want to show you something. And also let's go back to our email, because I will show you. I want everything so that you will understand how it works. So let's go. We are going to make a transfer to which bank? The bank is Save Haven. So you look for Save Haven Bank. You enter the account number, and always make sure that you read through. Always make sure that you read through. So what I'm trying to say is this. Now, if you check the red alert under this way, it said there will be 1% charges on every successful payment, which means when I transfer this 500 naira, there will be 1% charges. So you have to take notice of that. So let's go ahead and enter I'm going to send the money now so that we can check how things are being done. So that way. So once you've successfully made the transfer, all you just need to do is just to close, is just to continue whatever you want to do, because your account will be credited automatically. So it will be credited. You don't need to contact any support or do anything. Once you make the transfer, your account will be credited if truly you make the transfer. So, and part of what you are going to receive for confirmation is an email that states that your payment alert invoice. So it will tell you the amount that was credited, and it will tell it the payment has been completed, which means you've been credited. Let's go. So you can see we have a balance. We have some balance now, and you can see in dollars the rate. So when we go back to naira, you can see. So let me go back to the history. When we go to back, you can see account funding and the date and the time. So you can see it carries everything and it is working fine. Now let's go to the upgrade button. So let's say you want to the stage that you have presently, you don't like the stage, you want to upgrade to another plan. So you can upgrade yourself manually. Normally upgrading should be done automatically. When you move from one stage, it will be done automatically without you paying in again. But if you can't wait to be upgraded automatically, you can upgrade yourself. First thing you need to do is that you select your currency, and once you select your currency, you select the plan you want to upgrade for. So you are always on stage 1 if you've just registered. So you are always on stage 1. So to now move to stage 2, you select stage 2, and it will tell you that the amount is going to cost you. So if you want to stick to stage 1, so you don't forget that when you are doing your registration, you have you paid 1,000. So if you want to have multiple position, so you can still select the stage 1 again, and you have multiple position in one stage. So that is that about that. And what will happen is that when you click on upgrade and you proceed, it's going to pay, and when you pay, it's going to upgrade you automatically. So let's go to okay, let's try and do something. I will try to upgrade, but before I upgrade, let's quickly go to matrix position. I want to show you something. You can see that I have just one stage of glory, right? So we are going to purchase another one. We are going to purchase another stage of glory so that I can earn in two different places. So the number of position that you have determine the number of places you can earn. So in this first one now, I can earn once. So if I upgrade myself to another first stage of glory, that means I'm going to earn in 2 places. So let's quickly, I want to show you how it works, so that whenever you want to try yours, you will be able to come back to this video. So like I've said, you click on upgrade and you click on proceed. So we are going to transfer again to Save Haven. So you have to make sure that you transfer to the correct bank account. Then you transfer the exact amount, 60. You have to look at the account details. So whenever you enter any account number and it doesn't bring out this name, then that means the account you entered is not correct. So you have to be sure that it is correct. So let's go ahead and upgrade again. So this means we are going to have multiple positions with one account. So you don't need to open different accounts before you can do things right. So all you need to do is just to have multiple position, and then you are good to go. So on the withdrawal tab, we are going to do the same, but I will not be withdrawing now. I'm going to do another video on how to make use of that functionality. I'm going to do another video, so that I don't want this video to be that long, so that we can see the proof, we can see everything. I'm going to do another video entirely for this, so that we can see everything easily. So let's proceed to the statistics. These will, when you click on downline, so you can see you haven't referred anybody yet. So when you refer, you have the list of people you've referred here, and you can also add people. You can like, maybe you want to register a friend or a cousin, a siblings, so you can register them from here. So it's very, very easy. So like I've said in the matrix position, we've purchased the position, right? So once the payment is being received, another position will be created, maybe hopefully before the end of this video. Another position will be created. So let's go to the purchase of mining. In this one, I'm going to explain it as well later. The reason why I'm going to do that is that I want to explain it with how you can do your tax, so that you you'll be able to understand the relationship between both. So for now, we are not going to talk on it, and we are going to skip the tax as well. So like I've said, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, you have to do that, so that you won't miss any updates on how you can navigate throughout your system, so that you'll be able to understand everything easily, and you will have any limitation. So it is when you don't understand what you want, that's if you don't understand how to navigate, that's when you will notice that to operate the dashboard is somehow hard. But if you can navigate like I've explained now, if you can just study it, then you are good to go. So that's all for today. So in my next video, I'm going to talk on how I'm going to show you the position. If okay, I don't even need to show you the position. You can see another position has been created automatically for me. It has been created automatically for me that way. So that is that about that. That is that about that. So now that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button, so that whenever I drop new videos, you'll be notified. If you have any question, try to drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply them all. So see you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Have a lovely day. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye. Peace out.